Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with EPICURE. So I had just uploaded a video. I think it's about 15 minutes long. I haven't looked at the actual time of it yet, but I am going to do a little recap of how to book your cooking classes if you're having a hard time. So it doesn't matter if you're 2 minutes into EPICURE, you have no idea where to start, or if you've been in here for like 2 years and you just want some new ideas. So the best thing to do is literally just talk to people you know. Say, hey, I have started this amazing business where I am now doing cooking classes. It doesn't matter if you've been doing it for 10 years, but just say to them, I am now starting to do cooking classes. Would you like me to come to your home, or you can come to my home and I will do a cooking class on how to prep for your child's lunch, how to prep for the crock pot, how to make freezer meals in your crock pot. All you need is 5 people minimum. Have as many people as you like. I come over, do all the work, show you guys everything. You have things to actually take home, tell them to bring Tupperware, and one lucky person gets free stuff depending on how much is sold at that class, but no purchase necessary. Obviously, you want people to buy, but tell them no purchase necessary, no problem. Another thing to do is sell those meal kits. So I'm just going to share my screen here, and don't stop yet. Let me tell you why. So I'm just going to share my screen. So do what Loblaws does, Zayre's does, any supermarket. They have cooking classes where people pay for them, right? So they have make your own pasta class, make your own, I don't know, cake class, whatever, right? Pick a box, say the Mexican one, and say, we are going to make a Mexican meal. All you need, or all I need are 2 hours of your time. You will have everything to take home. You will learn how to cook everything. You will take it home, done, easy. So have them purchase this meal kit in advance, but don't tell them they're purchasing, let's say, a meal kit. To make it sound more enticing, say my Mexican meal class is, let's just say $45. That will include tax and shipping, just picking out a number. For 2 hours, you will learn how to make a nacho cheese dip. You will learn how to make a guacamole. We will be making chicken fajitas and a pudding. You will make all of that. They will take it home. They will have something to take home. Plus, they will have this box of anything left over to take home. Tell them that you will teach them how to make 40 meals with the average cost of $2.97 a person. That's what it says right here. Plus, you will be giving them a grocery list that they can use after the meal class, plus 5 recipe cards. So tell them everything that's in this box, so then that way it sounds more enticing. Does that make sense? But that sounds pretty awesome, right? A Mexican meal class. Everybody will want to take that meal class if they want to learn how to cook Mexican, if they just want something else to do that night, if they're looking for something exciting to do with their mom, sister, brother, coworkers, anything. So that's another idea. Another one is, I'm just going to stop sharing my screen here. You don't have to all do cooking classes in person. You can let them know who wants free product. All you have to do is post a link on your Instagram, on your Facebook, share the catalog with your coworkers. Anybody who orders from their specific link, those sales get tallied up, and then at the end they get free stuff. That's simple. The more people buy, the more free stuff they get. Easy, right? Because a lot of people might say, well, I don't have time for a cooking class. I'm not really interested in one. Okay, well then how about you just post a link. If anybody orders, awesome, done and done. Because everybody, once they try EPICURE, they want more. Going back to the cooking class thing again is take lots of photos at those cooking classes, because once you take, even if you only have one, so bring over people mom, dad, sister, brother, anybody. Bring them over, Take lots of pictures. So it looks like, which is true though, there's lots of people attending, and this is the thing to do. Hosting cooking classes, a Mexican cooking class. Take tons of pictures at different angles, different, people to share those pictures all the time. A week later, share different photos from the same cooking class and say, hey, who wants this amazing Mexican cooking class? You come to me or I come to you. People love it. Done and done. Share another photo again, say 2 weeks later, even 3 days later, it doesn't matter. Say something like, oh, everybody loved my Mexican cooking class. Who wants to book their own? I am doing a, what other options do we have? I am doing a Thai cooking class this Thursday. Another one on Friday where there are 2 seats left. Who wants to join in? Something like that. Make it sound like you are doing them all the time. It's all about the marketing, because soon enough you will be doing them all the time, because people will say, oh wow, they look like they're having so much fun. I would like to book my own Mexican cooking class, or a Thai cooking class, and an Indian cooking class. Take pictures. Even if you cook something some other time, take a picture. It could be your Indian curry bowl. Take a picture and say, who wants to make Indian curry? I don't know, at my next cooking class. I am doing an Indian cooking class on Friday. Since so many people wanted in the first one, I am actually doing another one. So who wants in? You see how it does sound more marketable and more exciting. So think outside the box. You will book those cooking classes. If you haven't yet, it's because you have not tried those, okay? You have not tried those options. So if you're sitting back thinking, I'm just not booking cooking classes, nobody's interested, have you been asking people if they want to book a cooking class? Have you been posting at like EPICURE every other day? It doesn't have to be sell. Are you just posting EPICURE that you're making your lunch, breakfast, dinner? Are you posting about your EPICURE pudding you had just made and it's the most amazing thing? Have you been telling people I host Mexican cooking classes? Probably not, right? Like Mexican, Thai, Indian, whatever. Find one of our meal boxes, have them pre-purchase it, done. Have you been doing that? Probably not, right? So try them, you guys. You will book those cooking classes. Thank you guys so much for listening. Good luck, and let me know if you need any help. Talk to you soon.